Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going on a trip and we're going to be seeing a beach, a glacier and 2 waterfalls. We're just waiting for the coach and currently we're right where the main church is waiting for it. So in total, I think the coach is 2.5 hours to the beach, I'm pretty sure, but we'll soon find out. I know it's going to be a long day.
And well, we have the active volcanoes not everywhere. The energy that Reykjavik needs comes from this area here. Every building in Reykjavik, in the capital area, is heated with geothermal energy. Although Reykjavik also has a geothermal area within the town limits, but most of the energy is from 2 power plants. We see 1 power plant here on the left-hand side where we erupt. And as I said, right now she looks very peaceful. Hekla is about 1,500 meters high. And the second most active volcano in Iceland.
So we're now having a break, just got off the bus and we're in the countryside. Been on the bus for about an hour and a half now. So yeah.
Much more water than we see now. And there is also a waterfall you can see there on the left-hand side in front of us. This is Seljalandsfoss. We have that waterfall on the program, but we will stop here in the afternoon, not now. We need a good stop on the way back to Reykjavik.
So guys, we're at the first waterfall. I think this is like one of the main waterfalls here. I'll put the name of the waterfall in like the title bit. And yeah, we've got off the coach. It's probably took about an hour 45 maybe to get here. Hopefully we're going to put the drone up. We've only got 40 minutes here though, that's the only slight problem. But yeah, here is the waterfall. And then people are walking up to the top. There's steps that do lead to the top of the waterfall, and then you can get like a bird's eye view of it. But hopefully we're going to put the drone up now. We'll get a little bit closer to the waterfall first. It is very misty here at the minute. Probably can tell from the camera, there's probably a lot of water on it. Like, it's so misty when you're right near it. So there we have it, there's the drone footage, just putting everything away and then getting back on the coach. So we're now at Black Sand Beach, and there is like a big massive, what should we call it, cave thing here. What is just in the distance there. And then the sand is black because of like the volcanic activity and the ash. Just in front of us is the sea there, and it gives us warnings when it says that the waves are strong or weak or whatever. There's like a colour system. think puffins are meant to sit here, but at the minute it's the wrong time of season for them to be like on them rocks. But normally they are here when the season is, but I'm not sure when that season actually is. I'll have to look it up. Alright, let's climb up. Here's the view from a few rocks up. So we're currently walking towards the glaciers, and the icebergs are here on the left. So now approaching the glacier. And at the final waterfall of the trip.
Seljalandsfoss,
Something like that. I don't even know what it actually is called, but that is it. Very cool and interesting.
You couldn't see that.
So that is the end of this trip. It was actually with Greyline, so if you do want to check them out, it's Iceland, one of Iceland's tour companies, so go check them out. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and more Iceland videos coming soon.